Okay, so time to pour the base. I'm using Morning Raindrops from Midwest Fragrance, and I have to say I was really quite surprised with the fragrance. I like it. It's different. But yeah, I really like it. So anyways, as you see, I already cut the frame. I have my dark blue base, and I have my teacup and teapot embeds, which will go in throughout this base. So I am just going to place these, pour a little more soap, place the embeds. I have 6 lengths. You can see I broke my top. I was so upset. I was just being stupid with how I was holding it, and it snapped in two. I was so mad at myself. I don't think it'll affect the bars, but let's see. I don't know. Maybe this will grow on me. Maybe I just had I had this idea in my head, and this is not quite what I saw in my head. And maybe a lot of times when I just give it a few days and then come back to it, like the soap grows on me. I'm like, you know, that's not that bad. It might not be what I thought was gonna, result, but it's still a cute soap. It just takes me a number of days to get to that point. So I'm sure this one will get to that point. It's worse on this end. I think it's just the very end piece though that I really had that trouble with the top. But yeah, I mean, it's a perfectly lovely soap. I should not be so down on myself. My teacups shifted a little, which I was pretty sure was going to happen because things always move. I'm not sure what I think. Like, I did the dark blue, but I'm wondering if I should have just done, like, I added black to my blue, but I'm wondering if I should have just done the straight blue. It still would have given plenty of contrast. I mean, it all works together. This is a light ombre. I think I like dark ombres with a light base better. I think there's just more contrast. Like this contrast, but just the opposite way. And I feel like I like the contrast that you get with light and dark better versus light and dark this way. But that said, these are cute. I love the teacups and teapots. I have a larger teacup teapot extruder disc that I have to test. It's on the schedule for this week to do, so I will get to that, but just not enough hours in my day to get everything done on my list. So there you have it. Let me know what you think.